Ladies and gentlemen and programmers, we're going to do part 5 of the calculator. We're going to improve all of our methods. Okay, and so I'm switching to a different program because I can't get Codiva to work right now. So let's see what we can do. Okay, so I'm using JDoodle. So hopefully this isn't super confusing for you, but we'll make it work. Okay, so let's see what happens when we hit run. It says 15, 26, and 10. What does that mean? We don't know. It's like, what was I doing? Adding, subtracting, who knows? Nobody knows. Okay, so let's take a look and see what we're going to do. Okay, so when we call on all our methods, it gives answers, but with no context. What do the numbers mean? What could we do to make our methods better? So write that down in your notes, worth a lot of points, and hit pause while you're answering that question. Okay, I'm assuming you answered it. All right, so let's make it so that when you call on the add method, it will be more interactive and print something like 5 plus 7 equals 12. Okay, so your job is to try to modify the add method to where it adds in this text and then gives you the answer and then gives you an exclamation point. So hit pause on the video, give it a shot. If you get stuck, well, then hit go because I will see if I can help you out. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to go to the add method, and I'm going to do it wrong first on purpose, and then we'll do it right. So let's do this. So I'm going to click here, and I'm going to say system.out.println, and go like that. Okay, so and then we're going to say A plus B plus the sum. Okay, and let's see what happens. And so I'm going to run it, execute it, and it's going to say, oh my gosh, there's a problem at line 13, unreachable statement. So why is line 13 unreachable? Well, the reason is because when you say return, that basically means, well, return to wherever you called on this. So basically, right here we said mycalculator.add, and so it's going to return right here. And so because it goes back down there, it never gets here, so it's unreachable. So we're going to press Control X. We're going to click right here. We're going to press Control V, and now let's see what happens. So now I think it'll actually run, but it's not going to do what we want. So it's just going to say, well, I didn't even know what it's going to do. So it's basically putting 30 because it's saying A, which is, what is it, 5. So it's 5 plus 7 plus the sum, which is 15. So it's 5 plus 7 plus 15 equals 30. So that's not it. Okay, so what we're going to do, see if you can figure that out. But it's going to be something more like this. A plus, and then in quotation marks, we're going to put plus. Actually, let's see. In quotation marks, we're going to do, well, no, it's an equal, plus B plus, and then we're going to put in quotation marks equals, and quotation mark, and plus sum, and plus. By the way, remember when you use the plus, when you're adding letters together, it's called concatenation. So right now, this isn't adding things up, it's concatenating the 5 and the plus symbol. Anyway, and then we're going to use quotation marks, and we're going to do the exclamation point. All right, so this is going to be better. It's not right yet, but let's execute it. Oh, no. All right, didn't like that at all. What did we do wrong here? Let's see. A plus, oh, I forgot my plus. B plus, okay, let's run that. I think we got it. Okay, 10 plus 5 equals 50. Great, except for the only thing is we didn't get on our spaces, so we're going to click in here and hit space, 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 space. Okay, nope, not that many space, space, space. Okay, so now let's run it and see how it is. Okay, so now it's 10 plus 5 equals 15. No, I don't need that extra space. I'm going to get rid of that space. But we don't need to put 15, 15. So let's fix this thing. Oh yeah, I don't need those spaces at all. Okay, so now what we can do is come down here to our main method, and we don't need this or this anymore. So I want you to leave it, but I want you to comment it out. Leave it as part of the grade, and then hit enter, and right there. So this is all we need now. So let's execute it again, and okay, so we have the 10 plus 5 equals 15. Okay, so now I want you to do the same thing for the subtract method and the multiply method, and then come down here, and we're gonna comment these things out too, so it doesn't double it up. So give that a shot, and hit pause on my video, give it a shot, and do it yourself, and then you're good and done. If you can't get it, then continue watching this video, and I'll show you what to do. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. We're going to come down here to the subtract method. We're going to click right here, and we're going to, actually, I'm just going to copy this. Honestly, it's just faster. Copy, paste, and so instead of a plus, it's going to be a minus, and it's not going to be the sum. It's going to be difference. Okay, something like that, and then the multiply method is going to be, I'm going to copy this. We're going to click right there, enter, A, and then it's not going to be minus, it's going to be the X times and equals the product. Okay, and then coming down here, we're going to modify this. We're going to say slash slash. We're going to say slash slash, enter. So this is the only thing we need. And slash slash. Definitely need this. I don't know what that space is there for. Okay, and there's some extra spaces here. I'm just tidying things up. Okay, so slash slash, slash slash, enter. We need this line of code. And then slash slash. All right, let's see if it runs. I'm sure I made some sort of error. No way, I got it. Okay, so that looks pretty good right there. Okay, so that's what we're doing. I think that let's check my spiel here and see if there's anything I missed. Did that. No, did that. Okay, now, so yeah, that's it.